friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about Mobility Shop.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is the latest electronics e-store placed in India, which is dealing with various electronic products like JBL speaker, iPhone, OnePlus smartphone, Apple AirPods, smart TVs, etc. And guys, the prices are too good or to be true and not realistic. So note this point. Now talking about the payment information, this company is offering payment options like Visa, Discover, MasterCard and American Express. Now coming to the shipping policy, shipping time is not specified on the web page, but yes, about shipping charges, it is free shipping on orders over rupees 1000. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which means it is secure for payment aspects. And coming to the domain creation date, the domain name was created on 31st of July 2020. That is too new to trust. So we need to discuss more factors about the legitimacy and fakeness of this website. Guys, I'm not able to see any about us section of this website. There is no about us section available on the web page. It means there is no business establishment year information, business owner name, photos, brand connection info is not available. So this is a bad sign and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now let's take a look at the contact us information. Guys, here you can see that contact us information is available on this website, but after checking you'll realize that they are fake and are giving fake contact details. So this is a red high alert about this website and shows that the website is not legit. And here you can see the email address, which is support@mobilityshop.com. So the email which is given on this page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But guys, you should know that various problematic and scam sites are using email addresses related to the customer service best.com domain and support.domain.com. So be aware and always check email address carefully. Now guys, here you can see that the site has social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google Plus and Pinterest, which is a good sign. But these accounts are not real or reliable. You'll redirect it to other social media accounts of different companies or websites. And you can see that there is no content available on this web page, which is not a good sign. You'll find duplicate content in some sections. Now guys, let's talk about the return and refund policy. So let's take a look at the return policy. So here you can read the entire information related to refund or return. So according to the details, you can see the returns are acceptable within 30 days from the date of the delivered item, and time frame of refunding is 3 to 5 business days. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers as well. Now talking about the customer reviews, guys, we have not got any customer reviews from the website but over the internet, many customers have reported the site as a scam and 100% scam. So again, this is a red high alert and bad sign which shows that the website is a scam website. And apart from that, according to our research, the website has a very low trust score on many review websites and on other social media platforms. So guys, in the final conclusion, the site appears to be scam, and if you have ever scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, stay away from such type of scam websites. Thanks for watching the video guys. Have a good day.